Ya pili, you people are very lucky people. And it is very beautiful to be among you. But there is something we people at the lakeside do better than you people. I tell you, if President William Ruto did not succeed, there would be no position in the country today. Uko na hii tabia ya kufukuza wajumbe wote. Ile wakati mtu kama mimi, I'm in my third term, you cannot imagine it. Wachani hiyo tabia. More so if you want President William Ruto to continue. This season you have a very good breed of leaders. Try to build them up. I know them personally, Cynthia, Gitur, all the MPs here, Ketan, and all of them. Engineer, Paul Meli. If you bring new people, and Baba gives us direct nomination the way you know he will do. Ndio wajua serikali na wasimamie na Kaluma kwa bunge, unajua itakuwa tabu. Hata mkisucceed William atakuwa na tabu sana. So I know it is your habit, but I want to beg you, this time you have a very good breed of leaders, more so in parliament. Those who want to come back, please get them back, led by this gentleman. Ya pili, and the second last. You know, Cherargei, hata jana tulikuwa tunakula kwa plate moja. Si ni ukweli? Yes. Watu wetu na watu wenu, si ni jamii moja? Na mnajua pale tulitoka. Yes. Ukianguka hapa chini Kisumu, iko wasichana tu wenu wengi. Na Wajaluo pia